How to draw a chef. We are going to start by drawing a slanted C near the top right of our page. This will be part of our chef's hat. Then at the top of that, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards towards the right. Then connecting to that, we are going to draw a backward C shape similar to the one that we drew at the very beginning, but it will be going the opposite direction. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now in that open space, we are going to draw two diagonal lines going downwards, connecting to either side of the open space where the two C shapes are. Then we are going to draw a line across the bottom, connecting those two straight lines that we just drew. Then we are going to draw a slightly curved line connecting the top of those two lines that we drew in the middle of the hat. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now to finish drawing our chef's hat, we are going to draw one more line, which is going to be across the very bottom of the hat. Looks amazing! Now we are going to start drawing the face of our chef. We are going to start near the right side of the hat and draw a small curved line going downwards. Then we are going to draw a backward C shape connecting to the bottom of that for the right ear. Awesome job! Then we are going to draw another small curved line going from the bottom of that ear for the bottom right side of the face. Great! Now we are going to start drawing the left side of the face. For this, we are going to start on the left side of the hat and draw a little bit of a straight line going downwards that then curves outwards a little bit and back down. Then right above where that curve is, we are going to draw a C shape for the ear, which is going to go right here. Then we are going to finish drawing the outline of our face by drawing a curved line connecting the left and right side of the face that we just finished drawing. Looking good so far. Learn how to draw hub crew. Next we are going to draw the nose by drawing a C shape on the left middle of the face. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting from the left outline of the face to the bottom of the nose for part of the mustache. Then we are going to draw two curved lines for the bottom outline of the mustache. Starting on the left outline of the face where the top of the mustache was, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards to the right, and then we are going to draw another curved line from that one going to the right. Then to finish drawing the mustache, we are going to draw a curved line going from the nose to the bottom outline of the mustache we just left off. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Next, we are going to draw the eyes. For this, we are going to draw two ovals. The left eye is going to be right above the nose that we drew. Then we are going to draw an oval that's the same size for the right eye, and this is going to be just a little bit to the right of the left eye. Awesome job! Now inside of those ovals for the eyes, we are going to draw a curved line. This is going to be near the middle of the oval. Then inside the eyes near the bottom, we are going to draw a circle and color it in black. These will be the pupils. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a small curved line above either eye. These will be the eyebrows. Awesome! Now we are going to draw the mouth. For this, we are going to draw a U that's going to go downwards from the middle of the mustache. Then near the bottom of that U, we are going to draw two very small curved lines for the tongue. Awesome job! Now the final step of drawing the face will be to draw the outline of the right side of the chef's hair. For this, there is going to be a small straight line going downwards that then curves to the right, connecting to the right side of the face, and then a small straight line going up and down, connecting the top and bottom of the backward C shape that we drew earlier for the ear. Now we are going to draw the neck towel around our chef's neck. For this, we are going to start by drawing a small circle underneath the chin of our chef. Then going downwards from this circle, we are going to draw two curved lines that come to a point. Now we are going to draw a similar shape on the left side of the circle. Then we are going to draw a line connecting from the circle to either side of the chef's face, making it look like it goes around his neck. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a few lines for detail on our chef's neck towel. Next, we are going to draw our chef's arm on the right side. This arm is going to be bent and have a towel hanging over the forearm. So we are going to start at the neck towel and draw a diagonal line going down to the right that then has a small line going towards the left. Then we are going to draw a small line in between the middle of the neck towel and the outside outline of the arm. Connecting to this line and the outer outline of the arm, we are going to draw a curved line for the towel. This is going to almost look like the shape of a cane. Then starting at the top of that curved line, we are going to draw another curved line going downwards, and then a line going across connecting the bottom of these two curved lines. Then to the left of the very top of the towel, we are going to draw our chef's hand. For this, we are going to draw a circle shape with two small lines that are inside of this for the knuckles. This next step is optional. We are going to draw a small line connecting the hand to the towel for the bottom part of our chef's sleeve. Then we are going to draw the back side of the towel. For this, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards from the hand and then a straight line going to the right connecting to the front side of the towel. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to start drawing our chef's body. We are going to start near the left side of the face and draw a diagonal line going downwards. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right. Next, we are going to go up to the middle of the neck towel and draw a small diagonal line going down to the left, and then a straight line going downwards, connecting to the line that we just finished drawing at the bottom, and then draw a straight line going to the right, connecting to the towel. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the other arm of our chef, which is going to be right here. For the top outline of our arm, we are going to start where the shirt and face of our chef meet and draw a line going upwards to the left. from the top of that line, we are going to draw a small straight line going downwards to the left, and then a line going downwards to the right, connecting to the chef's body. This will complete the outline of our chef's arm. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub, crew! Now for our chef's hand, we are going to draw a half circle shape connecting to the top of where the sleeve ends. Then we are going to extend the straight line that's at the top of our chef's hand on the left and right. This is going to be the bottom of the plate our chef is holding that he's holding. Then with this line, we are going to make a very thin, long rectangle. The line that we already have drawn will be the bottom line of our rectangle. Then on top of this, we are going to draw a big upside down U shape for the lid over the plate. And then lastly, for the lid, at the very top in the middle, we are going to draw a very small half circle. This will be the handle of our lid. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the legs of our chef. For this, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards to the right from the towel, and another one going downwards from the left side of our chef's body. Then at the bottom of each of these lines, we are going to draw a small curved line going inwards towards the middle. Then to connect these two small curved lines, we are going to draw an upside down slanted V shape. Next, we are going to draw our chef's shoes. On the bottom of the right leg, we are going to draw a U shape. And then for the other shoe, we are going to draw an oval shape going to the left with a small rectangle on the back of the right of the shoe. This will be the heel. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub, crew. Now we are going to draw a small line for detail on the top middle of the pants. And then lastly, we are going to draw 8 small circles for the buttons on our chef's shirt going right here in this space. I am going to draw 4 rows of 2 buttons, but if you do not have enough room, you can draw less buttons on your chef's shirt. This is how to draw a chef. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. And stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Also, if you have any drawing recommendations for us, then comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.